Former U.S. Attorney from New Hampshire, John Kakavas, joins us live now to break down some of the legal aspects of this case.
Hi, John. Thank you for joining us this afternoon. So first off, we know that the former president has been charged with 34 felonies. So if all of this relates back to that hush money payment made to Stormy Daniels, how does the DA come up with 34? And further, how does he then link them back to secondary crimes alleged?
Right. So if you look at the statement of facts that accompanied the indictment, it alleges a time frame for these alleged crimes from 2015 to 2017. Many of the payments alleged to have been made to Michael Cohen, disguised as retainer payments for legal services rendered, were paid month after month after month. And each one of those comprises a separate felony count. So that's how you get that count very high. But the count of felonies really all emanates from one allegedly criminal scheme, and that is to pay this hush money in order to suppress negative information. And that secondary crime is to advance the presidential prospects in the 2016 campaign of Donald J. Trump.
John, according to the press release from the Manhattan District Attorney, this is about falsifying business records to conceal crimes and damaging information from the voting public in that 2016 presidential election. How difficult is that second part going to be for the prosecution to prove?
Yeah, I think this whole case is going to be difficult for the prosecution. I think this is a defense lawyer's bonanza in a lot of ways. And I think what his defense team is doing right now is reading and rereading this indictment, this statement of facts, absorbing it, and plotting out and confirming, I'm sure, a strategy that they've already settled on. But there are a lot of challenges to be had here, beginning with the composition of the grand jury, perhaps, and the lawfulness of this indictment. And if it's lawful, is it sufficient? There's just a lot that's going to take place over the next several months. I know that the next status hearing in the case is scheduled for December 4th. I'd be surprised if the parties are not in court before then. There'll be a motion to change venue because the allegation will be, the claim will be that the former president cannot receive a fair trial in Manhattan in violation of his Sixth Amendment right. So there's a lot that a defense lawyer can do here.
Insight with us this afternoon, John Kakavas, former U.S. Attorney from New Hampshire. As always, good to see you. Appreciate your time.
Thank you. Good to see you.